A train station in Japan exists solely for one high school student to commute to class. Every day, a train stops at this remote station just for her, ensuring she can continue her education despite living in an isolated area. This extraordinary commitment highlights the country's dedication to education and the lengths they go to support their students. Imagine a train coming to a halt just for you, showing how even the most isolated individuals are not forgotten. This unique station serves as a poignant reminder of the value of access to learning and the incredible stories hidden in the everyday infrastructure we often take for granted.